Hey guys, Shubham here. I hope you have read some of my articles in Finxter.com. So, I decided to make a video so that I can share my journey with Finxter as of now. So, I'm going to be totally transparent with you about my journey with them. To be honest, this journey has been quite emotional for me. That's why I wanted to create this video. Especially, and I am not quite a pro YouTube video content creator. However, this like Finxter moved me or changed my perception about things and learning so much that I couldn't stop myself from making this video. So that's enough of blabbering. Let's get to the point. A brief intro about me. I am a computer science engineer and I have a few years of experience in the industry as well. However, recently in the past 2 years, I have been really struggling. Since I said I'll be totally transparent with you, so there's no shame in saying that for the recent 2 years, I have been in and out of jobs in search of my passion. I was into call centers. Then I worked in infrastructure services. However, I kept feeling that this was not what I wanted to do. I am a computer science engineer. My passion is coding. I have undergone trainings in numerous fields like AWS, Linux, Android, Java. I know such languages, and I wanted to do something with them, but I didn't know what to do. However, I have a family to run, I have my parents, so I had to opt for anything that was coming my way. And just then I was struck by Corona, so the very little that I had to lose that as well. So just then I found Finxter. I was practicing some Python code, and then I came across this blog article, and it was really fascinating the way the things were explained there and everything about it. And then I thought to dive deep into it and research about the blog. And then I came to know about its founder, Christian Mayer. And I don't know what struck me. I just dropped him an email, and boom, that was it. So there are times that there are things that happen in your life which can be life changing for you, and this was one such moment for me. I asked Christian for help. Not that I have not emailed others for help before this, but Christian Mayer was completely different from everyone else. He replied, and he just didn't reply. He told me the path to follow. He showed me a way. Then he helped me with a gig. A work in Upwork for which he would pay me. So I decided to do that, and then on he kept guiding me. He kept guiding me how to acquire such gigs. He kept guiding me. I at that point of time, I didn't even have the money to acquire the course materials, but with his help, it has just been 1 to 1.5 months. I kept following his articles, I kept following his videos in YouTube, and somehow they were more than enough for me, and I realized what to do next. And then with his help, as I kept earning, I purchased his course. And I don't know if you believe me or not, the course structure is brilliant. I found, like, he has spent and dedicated a lot of time in building it. It's a modular structure. Like, if you are into the programming language world or into the programming world, you will be knowing what's a module. So his structure is like, he'll guide you level wise. Like, if you are at the 0th level, even then you can follow his course. And if you are a pro, even then you can follow his course, because he not only teaches you how to upgrade your skills, but he will also explain you how to sell your skills. Having a skill, like, I had lots of skills, but I didn't know how to market them. But this course, it taught me how to market the my my talent or my skills. uh, now that's enough about the course. Let's get back to what I was talking about. So Chris helped me, he gave me a direction. He told me do this. I was following it, and then he, after a certain week, or maybe after 5 days, he told me now it's time to upgrade, now you should be doing that. Then as of now I'm writing articles for him. I'm also planning to create few course materials along with him. So what he did was, first the articles that he provided, they were of a basic level. Since I was transparent to him as well, that I told him that I am not a pro Python coder, but I have some experience in coding. So he gave me such articles to write, and I kept improving, and in due course of time I didn't even realize that actually writing and researching about code, and then documenting it, and then helping others to solve such similar problems can help you master a skill rapidly. It can help you to enhance your skills in a particular field or a domain. Even if you go completely, if you complete a lot of courses, suppose there's a particular domain that you want to pursue and you are completing 5 courses in it, you'll still not be able to master it until and unless you are practicing it. That's what he keeps focusing. And the best part that I found about his approach was, he will not only guide you and improve your technical side, but he will also show you how you can use your technical expertise and then give it a business perspective. So he'll guide you how to portray your skills and become a freelancer, basically become your own boss. So I won't be saying much about it as of now, because I'm to be honest, I am a newbie as well. I am only around 1 to 2 months old into freelancing, but I am not lying. You can check my freelance, or I mean my Upwork account, and you'll find the kind of progress that I have been making. If I started at X, then I it in a span of 15 to 20 days it became 2x, and now it's about to become 3x. So that's the amount of increase that I am witnessing in my career. So I never knew that freelancing would be the way to go before I met Christian Mayer. And then I also came to know Lucas. I followed his videos. Like, they have a different style and a manner of explaining. If you go to a different courses, what you'll find is they'll most of those courses, even if they are extremely practical, they'll just explain you the ifs and buts and then the coding part of it, but they'll not give you the exact way of coding as well as using that code in real life. So by that I don't mean that you'll not get practical examples. Practical examples is a different thing, and using those practical examples and then earning money from it is a completely different dimension. So that's what I is and I hope I'll keep learning from Christian Mayer and Lucas, and I hope they'll keep helping me and keep helping me to grow. Keep helping me to grow this way. That's it. I'll upload the next video pretty soon. I'll keep sharing my journey with you. A disclaimer here, I am I'm not I'm not advertising this for them. This is what I wanted to do. This is the least that I can do for them, because the content that they provide and what they teach is mind-blowing, and I want to teach others as well. Once I am once I get hold of the freelancing thing in future, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to help my colleagues, my juniors, and more people to how I'll teach them how to become their own boss, especially in these times when many have lost their jobs. and they are struggling. I find people who are extremely skilled, but they are being offered jobs that they won't even imagine of doing if it was not this pandemic. But what they don't know is, like, there's a completely different world there known as freelancing, which fortunately was opened to me and was shown to me by Christian Mayers and Lucas. So let's see how it goes. I'll keep updating this.